I learned a very new technique, which I have never found out from anywhere else. I highly recommend that you are able to be guided correctly and in a very accurate manner how to identify certain parameters. How do I rate the class? I think it's 10 upon 10.
1 out of 10, more than 10, definitely more than 10. 外面学不到的那个 skill， 还有更加了解这个八字的 structure， 更加了解自己。So you recommend to friends as 一定要，因为是外面学不到的 ，is eye-opening skill.
Rate Dr. Khim's wealth class 10 upon 10. Why? Because what she teach is different from what other people teach. If you know, right, the self, the strong self, weak self is very important, and a lot of masters all get this wrong. So she got this very clear, and she teaches us exactly how to determine and what to look out for. So this one can affect the entire reading, all the accuracy. So this I think is very clear and very good. Then okay, so then you from here, right, you can learn where is your wealth, what type of wealth, what to look out for, like will your wealth be damaged, and then your wealth tools, are your wealth too strong or damaged, and best of all, she got tell you solution and when to look out for it.
I like to recommend to everyone to attend this because during our career time or maybe start the entrepreneurship, I think you guys should learn this wealth class to know about what is your wealth and then what tool that you can use to pursue your wealth. I like to give 10 over 10 rating to Dr. Khim. So, and encourage everyone to join this class.
From a scale of 1 to 10, she deserves much higher than 10. I learned a lot of things. I learned about my chart, and I learned about other people's chart, how to read many things. If you are even a beginner, she teach in a way that it makes everybody easy to understand. So I would highly recommend to everyone to go for her course.
Easy to understand. For a first-time learner, it's not so complicated. Dr. Khim impart a lot of knowledge and skill to us. For those first-time learner that you are keen to know more about your wealth and able to know how to extract the wealth from your own destiny, this is the class that you should attend.
10 of 10. It was truly amazing with Dr. Khim's teaching style. She's such a skillful teacher and detailed explanation which we cannot learn from other schools. And I highly recommend this Dr. Khim class to everyone.
What I like is her willingness to share, her generosity in sharing her knowledge and information that you may not find in other wealth classes. What has benefited me most is I learned to know more about my wealth and what I can do next to prepare myself going forward, for the rest of life. And also, what I've learned can also be used to apply on my family members.
When you rate the 10 highest point, I get to know to identify where is my wealth and to make use of the time when the wealth period is strong, utilize it, and to stay low or to avoid risk during the bad times of the year.
I would rate it 10 out of 10 as it enables us to identify our personal wealth tools and implement the most correct solutions. I strongly recommend that everyone attend Dr. Khim's wealth class.
There will be a 3 days private wealth Bazi course. Why I call it private? Because it's for your eyes only, cannot do online and must face to face. Why? Because I am teaching secrets which you cannot find in the textbook, which most doesn't know the secret. And this wealth formation are researched by me. I have case studies which have proven that my research formula for wealth formation is accurate. Accurate means 准. What will you learn? You will learn what are the wealthy charts, and one chart, not one chart. The many different types of charts. But any type of charts, when you look at it, you will know the person is wealthy or poor very quickly and accurately. Of course, also will teach when will this wealthy thing be happening and how every different birth chart, how they gain this wealth. Now, these knowledge are proven research cases from my own research. There are many formations. Of the many formations, you may find some formation very familiar from the Asian text. But you will also realize there are many wealth formations that are not from the Asian text. They are all through my own research, where you will not find it anywhere in any textbook. And I will not write a textbook on this as well, because this is my secret, my way of looking at how much this person worth, how wealthy is this person, and how this person gain his or her wealth. I'll be sharing with you the detection of wealth, which you cannot find in textbook. You cannot find anywhere. You will learn how to detect your own wealth chart from the many different types of formation that when I explain, you have to see which category you fall into. No online, because it's my secret, don't want to share online. I only want to do this face to face because I will reveal the shocking secret of the powerful wealth formation. And these are for your eyes only.